When it comes to making a purchase, whether it's software or a physical product, it's important to get all the details before committing. If you're considering buying Vultik, there are a few crucial things you need to know first. Stick with me until the end because I'll cover everything you need to know, plus how you can get the best deal and test it for free. First off, Vultik stands out in its niche by offering features that directly compete with other industry giants. But before you jump in, it's important to understand its core offerings. Unlike other tools in the market, Vultik's intuitive interface makes it incredibly user-friendly right out of the box. If you're someone who's worried about getting bogged down by complex setup processes, Vultik streamlines everything, which is a huge win compared to alternatives. Next, one of the standout features is its automation capabilities. If you've tried similar products before, you know how frustrating it can be when a tool just doesn't automate tasks the way you need it to. Vultik's automation is highly customizable, allowing you to set up your workflow exactly how you like it, without being forced to settle for preset options. This flexibility gives it a clear edge over some competitors who lock you into rigid workflows. The third thing to note is the pricing structure. Vultik has a more transparent pricing model compared to some of the more complex, hidden fee models you see in the industry. While many similar tools will tack on additional costs for features you thought were included, Vultik keeps it clear and simple. This pricing structure makes it a solid option for anyone who's tried to budget around subscriptions that end up being more expensive than they originally anticipated. Now, let's talk about support. With Vultik, you're not just getting a product, you're getting a service. The support team is responsive, which isn't always the case with other companies. If you run into issues or need guidance, they're quick to jump in and resolve things, which can save you a lot of time in the long run. The fifth thing you should consider is Vultik's integration with third-party apps. If you're already using other tools, you'll want something that plays well with your current setup. Vultik integrates seamlessly with popular software, ensuring you don't have to waste time managing disconnected tools. This makes it much easier to switch to Vultik without losing functionality compared to competitors who offer limited integrations. The sixth thing worth mentioning is the scalability of Vultik. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, Vultik grows with you. This scalability isn't something you can always count on with other software in this category, which can often become too rigid as your business needs evolve. With Vultik, you can add features and expand your usage as needed without feeling like you're constantly upgrading or switching platforms. Finally, a big selling point for many is Vultik's customization options. Not every tool in the market gives you the power to really tailor things to your exact needs, but Vultik's flexibility in this department sets it apart. It lets you mold the platform around your workflow, which is often a game changer, especially compared to tools that force you into a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're considering trying out Vultik, here's the best part. You can actually try it completely free through the first link below. Don't miss out on the exclusive benefits that come with this offer. Click that link and get started with the best free trial for the software. Trust me, you'll want to explore everything it has to offer before making your final decision. So, if you want to test Vultik yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Don't wait. This offer might not last long, and you won't want to miss the chance to experience the product firsthand.